but I don't know. Broke a little bit of luck there this morning. I had to get that frame powder coating. That's what I had to sort out. Good call, Tim. Gonna go black ash steel at South Coast Powder Coaters. South Coast Powder Coater. Are you my boy? Gonna lie. That just fucking hard doing this with, but I kind of want to get a bit of a record excess off. You don't need much. A lot of people overdo it. Okay, if it was the engine that I was going to keep tearing apart, I'd use blue. You release a tension wrench at the end as well. I'll probably have to hold this with the other hand. Mitch, you owe a couple of beers, mate.